Max Verstappen clinched pole position for the Formula One Crypto.com Miami Grand Prix sprint. The reigning world champion set the fastest time at the Miami International Autodrome, clocking a 27.641 second lap, edging out Ferrari's Charles Leclerc by 0.108 seconds. Charles Leclerc will start alongside Verstappen despite a challenging day. A spin during morning practice brought out the red flag, limiting his track time. However, he managed to secure a strong position for the sprint race. Daniel Ricciardo impressed with a fourth-place finish in sprint qualifying. Driving for Red Bull, he showcased his skills, finishing just behind teammate Sergio Perez, who secured third place on the grid. Mercedes faced unexpected challenges as both George Russell and Lewis Hamilton failed to make the top 10. Hamilton reported hitting the wall at turn 16, resulting in starting positions of 11th and 12th for the sprint. In the F1 Academy Series, Abby Pulling and Dorian Pin battled for the top spot. Pulling ultimately led the second practice session, narrowly outpacing Pin, showcasing the competitive spirit of the all-female racing series. The Miami Grand Prix atmosphere buzzed with excitement. Fans enjoyed live entertainment, including DJ Steve Aoki and appearances by F1 personalities. The event continues to grow, drawing fans from around the world.